Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to install Apache Netbeans 15 with OpenJDK and Windows 11. So first is you need to type Apache Netbeans 15, then click this link, then click this link, then click this link to download the file. Then let's install OpenJDK. So type Azul JDK, then click this download Azul JDKs, then click this one, click this Zulu, then click download, then it's close, download, then select 17 Java 17 because the maximum JDK of NetBeans 15 is Java 17. Then operating system is Windows. Then architecture is okay, this one 86 64-bit. Then click this .msi to download the file. So let's proceed to cmd. Then let's type Java, then negative version. Then I have GRE here, which is 1.8. So that is last version of my Java. Then let's proceed. Show in a folder. Then first is we need to install this JDK. Then open. Then this is Azul Zulu JDK 17.36.17. Next, then you need to set this JDK as your Java home. Then click okay, this one. Then set Java home. Then next, then install. Yes. Then after this Azul Zulu JDK, then we need to install Apache Netbeans 15. Okay, finish. Then click install this Apache Netbeans 15. Then yes. Then next. Then accept the agreement. Then next. Then we have here Zulu JDK. Then let's try. Before we proceed, let's open prompt here, Java. Then we set Zulu JDK as Java home. Then let's type version. Then we have here OpenJDK 17. This is different from Oracle JDK. So here, this is our JDK. Then install. Then let's wait for a while. Okay. So there is no difference between um, Apache JDK or this Open JDK. So just let's wait for a while. Okay, then let's try to create a Java program using this Azul Zulu JDK. Okay, it almost done. Checking the installation. Okay, finish. So let's try to run this NetBeans. Close this one. Then I have a previous project here. Let's try to create a sample. Let's try click this one. Open JDK, then NetBeans sample. Okay, sample program. Sample program. Then click finish. Then let's try to run this project. Hello world. This is the main method. Then let's try. Right click this project, then run. Okay, so this is hello world. Then the setup of our Java home is here, the Zulu JDK. So see you next week, guys. Thank you for watching.